Hello, welcome to Spot Rational. Today I will give you a tutorial how to repost Instagram stories after 24 hours. Before that, so you don't miss for any our videos, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Let's go to the tutorial. First, we go to the Instagram application. You can click the symbol on the down of bottom and click the three apps here. After that, you can click the archive and don't forget to click the stories archive, not post archive, and you click the story that you want to repost to your story. Click and share. You also can see that the memories in the 1st February, and you can to delete it or no. After that, you can to send it for your story and add it to story. Let's see. Go back to the feed. This is loading. Yeah, this is a post. This is a tutorial how to repost Instagram stories after 24 hours. And I hope this video is useful for you, and thank you.